What's up, everybody? So we're here back with another video. I'm gonna be adding the Husky floor liners on my truck. So I already did my OBS. I already added onto that one, but I'm just gonna be adding it to the C10 now. We're gonna open it up. But a quick little trick that I wanted to show you guys, what I use so I can polish all my windows and my chrome and my mirrors and all that, because it was all full of like rust. There's still a little bit you can see on there, but it's not as bad as it was before. It's a lot better now. And I also used it on my windows so I could leave it nice and smooth, because it was also like had some rust spots and all that. I did on my back window as well. I wish I would have showed you guys the before, how it looked before, but I used it on my chrome, like on this little cap thing. I used it on, I had like overspray on my windows. What I used was pretty much the steel wool. I used the finest steel wool that you can find, and then I used this, the new finish. Once a year car polish. It was supposed to be a car polish, but I used it. You could also use it on like chrome, and I had heard that it was good for windows, so I went ahead and used that. I don't know if I have any more of the steel wool, so I can show you guys. Darn it. Let me see if I have some more here. I don't think so. I remember I had one little small piece left, but I don't know where I put it at. Just look it up. It's steel wool. That's what it's called. There's different types. There's different grits, like different ones that are sturdier or more harder, rougher than others. But I use the one that's the finest. It's like the 4 zeros, 000 or 40, something like that. But just look for the finest steel wool, and then you just add some of the polish. Oh, here it is. This, add some of the car polish that I showed you guys. You just pretty much rub it on everywhere, and once you rub it on everywhere. See, I didn't get to do this little spot. There's also overspray here. Let me show you guys how it is here. I just gotta put the window up, or it's just that when I did it, the window was up, so this little spot went in here, so I wasn't able to get it. So what I had to do is put the window down a little bit, so that way it can expose this area, and then I can get the rest of it. But pretty much you just rub it on. You might be even able to do it without the car polish. Probably, yeah. Yeah, see, it's coming off. I think you're better off using the car polish though. It works a little bit better. And you just rub it on everywhere, and then there it is. It gives you a better, nicer. Also here, it's good to remove like rust and all stuff like that. So I really recommend it. It's a good little trick. It's inexpensive, and it'll make your product looks a lot better. Let me show you guys the OBS with the Husky floor mats, because these are the ones for the C10, but the ones for the OBS I already installed them. Let's see if you can see. Yeah, so there it is. There's already once they're installed. It's probably kind of hard to see, and then you get the light. I like these because they come made specifically for your vehicle, so that's why. There it is. It's already getting kind of dirty. So I mean, it's cool because they're like a plastic type piece, so they're supposed to, you can take them off, wash them off, stuff like that. I wanted to get them because I don't want to mess up my new carpet that I just got. So there it is for the most part. So now we're going to be adding them on to the C10. So let's open it up. Let me show you guys out here the C10. So as you can see, I already have my carpet installed and all that. This is after I've already done it. So we're just gonna be putting them on. I should probably like clean it off first or vacuum it, because it has like a lot of like little lint. But I got these online through the Husky website. These look a little big, but I mean, I think this should be it.
See if it has where each one goes. Model, driver's side. This is the driver's side. And then this one's the passenger. Yep, passenger side. So let's put the passenger side on. So basically these are just gonna go in here. Let's see. Something like this. Pull it on. Yeah, actually it does go on. It's kind of like, I need to go up a little higher. I don't think they fit perfectly on. I think what I'm gonna do is let them sit in the sun for a bit, so you can kind of get its form. Cause up here, they kind of like. Well, actually, I think this is good. Let's see. Yeah, they're good whatsoever for the most part. I'm gonna let them sit in the sun for a bit so they can kind of like get its shape. So it can be easier to bend and all that. And then we'll come back and put them on in a bit.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, y'all, so we're gonna put them on now because it looks like there's no more sun and it looks like it's about to rain, as you guys can see. Beautiful day, by the way. It's not cold, it's not hot, it's just perfect. God, I love these kind of days. But let's try to fit this in here. I was able to get a bit worn. I vacuumed the carpet already, so meanwhile I was waiting, I just vacuumed it for the meantime. And I think something like that. Let's see if the door closes there. Yep, perfect. Alright, there it is. I think the truck looks way better without them, actually. That's just my opinion. I don't know, maybe I'll grow on to like them. Let me see, let's put the other one. I think I'm talking too soon. Let's see. These on. Like that. Like that. Well, actually it looks pretty cool. I think once you have both of them it looks a lot better. And it's also peace of mind because I don't want to mess up the brand new carpet that I just put, so I'd rather preserve it as best as I can. But I think once it's on there, it's actually pretty good. It looks pretty nice. I don't know what you guys think. And I've been kind of cleaning it up a bit. Like, I still need to clean up like this little area, like polish all this as best as I can. I cleaned up my windows, like I said, all this. It was all completely filled with gunk and junk and a bunch of dust. So I've been kind of cleaning it off. It has a way better smell now than it did when I got it. But slowly but surely it's coming along. There it is with the floor mats. Looks a lot better. We're still waiting to get the coverlay dash, so we'll get that soon. So I can show you guys the whole interior of it completely done. There's this. Put this here for now. There it is. It looks pretty good. Little stuff that I've been doing, like tinkering with. I want to put some glue on here so this can be able to stick on. I need to buy this little piece that goes here that's missing. Little stuff that I have going on with it. It's just the process, but you gotta trust the process, guys. Trust the process. Once this is all done, we're gonna look back like, damn, from when I got it. Show the clip from when I got it. Compared to how it is now. Just already, just like that little stuff that I've done to it already makes a big difference. But we're just gonna keep adding to it, and little by little, slowly but surely, it's gonna be coming along. But there it is, y'all. Well, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to keep giving you guys the videos. I'm gonna try to keep them coming, especially right now that we're all in quarantine. I'll give you guys something to watch, something to do. But like I said, I appreciate everyone's support. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and you guys stay tuned for the next video. Peace, y'all.